Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing QREO, a tool to create QR codes directly the visitors to your website or PDF or to a video. And I think that tool is one of the best marketplace tools on AppSumo. They offer a lot to improve your business, and I'm going to explain why. As you can see here, they already have 5 reviews, all positive reviews, and from users renowned. Here on AppSumo, we are going to leave our review as well. So it's a tool to create dynamic QR codes and static QR codes with fully customized landing page detail that you should remember. You can create the landing page on QR code to directly your users. So this is a no-brainer. So only $39, and let's see how the tool works. So pretty simple here. We have the dashboard when you can choose colors and shapes, add logos to your QR code, track QR codes, and check your customized landing page. Let's go to the dashboard. So I have an untitled um, QR code here. I'm gonna create another one. So first thing that you should do, so you want to create a QR code, you click here, create a QR code, and you will go to an educational roadmap to create your QR code easily. So what you want to do, it can be static QR codes or dynamic QR codes. So let's stay here on the dynamic ones because they have more features. So you want to directly your visitors to receive a landing page with informations of your business page. You can do it. That landing page will be created on qr.io. If you want to directly the visitors to your social media, you can do it here. If you want to add an website URL, you can do as well. If you want to provide a feedback, if you want your visitors to do a feedback or review your software, your tool, you can do it. You can share image with a landing page. You can share your app. You can share your profile cards. Really cool with QR. You can share a coupon. You can share a video or you can share a PDF. Let's start with a video. So I want to share a video, and here you can customize the color of your landing page. So let me select one of the colors of my brand. So I'm going to select here, change automatically on the landing page. So my YouTube video, QR font, my YouTube video, QR video review. So the only thing that you need to do now is to add a link on YouTube of your video. So in one more apps, let me select here one of my reviews. It's here. You can see it here. Okay. Let me correct the link. Okay, it's here. So now you can see. So working on the landing page, I click on continue. And then you can customize your QR code, change the background URL, doing as a transparent background. Okay. Change the color and add even your logo here on your QR codes. Let me add like the PayPal logo only, then you can see how it works. So you can add the logos on the QR code. You can change the colors of everything on the QR code. You can change the color here. It will change. You can change the border color. Let's make it blue. Okay, blue like that. And you change everything to customize your QR code, and then continue. It will load, and it's done. So you already have your QR code. You can download it as PNG or SFG, and you can also edit the content later to change your QR code. And as you can see here, they have analytics, so you will see how many times your QR code was scanned. So that tool integrates well with one of the AppSumo modules right now, the one that you can use to create polls. So you can create a QR code with website links and then directly to your poll to do it with your audience. So let's say you want to share a PDF. You go to the same page, but here instead of adding a video, you're gonna add a PDF. So really easy to create. Website URL. Here you won't need to add your website URL. And it's done. And then you customize your QR code in the way you want. So you can create several QR codes with literally like 5 minutes. You can create 10, 12, 20 QR codes. The tool is really, really cool. I deeply recommend you to buy it. And if you like that review, please click on the button below, click on the link, and help me to keep going. Bye bye.